Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I am so excited for this video today. You guys saw the title. I'm going to be unboxing all of these amazing goodies from the Elevate box. So let's get into it. Okay, so I know you guys are probably wondering, what is the Elevate box? So this is a monthly subscription box that I'm so happy to be unboxing for you guys, because this the creator of the Elevate box is one of my dearest friends. She motivates me so much to follow my dreams and just go after what I desire in my life, and I'm just so freaking proud of her. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, a lot of times, and this is just for everybody that has someone in their lives that are actually like doing something that's different, that's not the normal go to work 9 to 5. Like, if you have somebody that's close to you and actually has a business or something that they're trying to do, like stepping out on faith, support them. Like, if they are close to you, and it could be as just as simple as sharing what they do. Like, you don't gotta, it is not always about spending money with somebody, because we know that, you know, that a lot of times when you start a business, your close-knit friends and family aren't your target audience. Well, at least people should know that. But for the person that has somebody that is close to them, go ahead and support them, and support them by sharing their business. Just share it. You don't gotta spend money. So I said it to say, like, I am so grateful to be able to share her business with you all. I'm excited to go over the items. I'm excited to kind of talk about what the Elevate box is, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so as I mentioned, the Elevate box is a subscription box. You will receive this box every single month, and I believe I'm going to put the website on the screen. I think it is the elevatebox.com, but I'm not 100% sure. I have to put that on the screen for you guys. But basically, it is a curated box of goodies to act as your accountability partner. So in life, at least in my life, but I know a lot of people that follow me, like, basically, you know, like, we have goals and we're trying to get to the next level. We're trying to elevate our lives. So it's basically a box that's curated to help you get to whatever that is, whatever your next level is in your life, or wherever you're trying to go. This box is like your, like, it's kind of like your survival kit, like, you know, like survival kit of life, or to the next level of your life, something like that. So you'll receive one every single month. So within the box, you'll have like a personal growth and development items. Some items will focus on like fitness and health and wellness, as well as some beauty items here and there. I think it's a good mix or variety of things that one would need if you are on a spiritual journey, if you are on a fitness journey, if you are on a health journey, if you're on a, like, just overall wellness. And y'all know, like, that's what I talk about a lot. Especially I talk about that, like, you know, on my Instagram. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, what's wrong with you? Go ahead and make sure you follow me, because my Instagram is lit. Like, you might as well, if you're watching me here, you might as well watch me over there as well. So, but back to the box. This box is heavy, might I add, too. So these are like, it's not no cheapy nothing. Like, you're getting quality items, full-size items. Each box is valued at over, or at $100 each, but you will pay per month. It is $53.33 plus $2 shipping, which I think $2 shipping is pretty amazing, actually, for having this box is, because I'm really surprised that, you know, the shipping is super cheap. So without further ado, let's get into what are my goodies for this month. So the first item that I have is a tumbler, stainless steel tumbler, and this tumbler says living my best life, because that's exactly what I'm trying to do all 2022. Do you also like love tumblers and coffee mugs and stuff that like have a little saying? I like to like look at it and something that is like inspirational, like some type of inspirational quote. I like to look at it every day. I'm going to use this, thanks so much, because this is going to be great for my coffee. Got to have my cup of coffee every day now. Moving right along. So these are water drops. Let me see. So it's sugar-free. I've never had anything like, I've never had anything like added into my water. So these are naturally flavored drink cubes. Oh, cool. Low calories, vitamin C, vitamin B6. Okay, so See, and this like introduced me to something new. Something I've never even heard of water drops. Like I never heard of this brand or company, but I can always use something to help me drink water. Because sometimes, I mean, I drink water. I'm not one of those people that like don't like drinking water, although I know there are a lot of people out here that don't like drinking water, so that might be exactly what you're looking for. Next we have something called Tea Blossom. So this is a this is a body wash infused buffer. Oh, okay. Tea Blossom. Cleanse, exfoliate, scrubs. Okay, I'm excited. I don't know about you, but self-care like Sunday, well, just self-care in general, but like I coined it, and I know a lot of people use that, like self-care Sunday. Like I'm big on it. Like I want to care for my body. I want to stay hydrated. I want to be silky and smooth. Y'all just don't understand. So that's like a must. So if that is a must for you, this would be perfect. Like to get certain things that you can add to your self-care Sunday, I am all for it. Next we have a hyaluronic acid eye mask. Okay, y'all know I'm always for the eye mask. I love these type of masks that you can just throw away and toss away. This is by Glam Glow. This is a pretty popular brand. It has one mask inside of it, so after you use it, you just toss it away. Awesome. Next up, and this is probably why this box is so heavy, this is one of the reasons why. So I did receive a book in this box, and it's Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. Awesome. I definitely need this because I wouldn't say I have a lot of bad habits, but I have some bad habits that I would love to break, and I definitely have some areas in my life where I would want to learn how to create better habits. There's certain things, like we could just say like drinking water. Like that's a good habit to have if you constantly are always drinking water, because our body needs it. A lot of people completely avoid water. So if it's things that I can pick up in this book that will help me create those habits, I am all for it. I love it. I'm already feeling better, about the new year, because me being under the weather has me all in a funk. So next we have, wrapping off, looks like this is a pen, and it says Elevate. Let's see if y'all can see it. Super cute, super me. I can't wait to write with it. And the reason why I needed a pen, it looks like, because I got a planner. So, and this is also pretty heavy. This is a thick, heavy-duty planner. Planners already aren't cheap, because I don't even know any planners that you can find that are like this size for under $30. Like, planners are expensive. So this is a 12-month dated planner. It says morning start. Let me see. I'm gonna open it up so I can take a look at it. Let's see what it look like. Show y'all what it look like. Okay. So let's see how this looks. Yeah, it's definitely, this is a real deal. For real deal type of planner. Because this has like is it just for 12 months? Because y'all talking about 3 years. Wish list, 1 year, 3 months. Okay, awesome. And then it goes into the day-to-day. So then it goes through every single day in January, and then it also like literally breaks down every single day and every hour of the dang on day. Stuff for you to focus on, personal to-do lists. Oh, I'm gonna love this, because I definitely I like to write stuff down. Like obviously, we have our phones and we have apps and stuff like that for planning out your day and making to-do lists, but I'm still kind of like old school, and I do like to write, especially since now that I felt like I'm like forgetting how to write, and my handwriting is like all crappy because I don't write anymore. So yeah, this is awesome. Let me put everything back inside the box. Like I feel like, yes, when I look at all of the items, especially like hardback, or what is it called, what is it called, hardcover book. I got the planner, and then I got a tumbler, yes, and then some beauty items, the water drops. I definitely feel like this is awesome, y'all. So if you are interested, I will have a coupon code in the description for you if you do want to go ahead and subscribe. If you are into subscription boxes and you think that this would be something that is definitely going to help you elevate your life, I would strongly suggest you to go ahead and use my discount code so you can receive a discount on your purchase. And again, I'm just so proud of my friend, y'all. Like, this is awesome to be able to come up with something. Like, look at this box, the quality of the box, the quality of the items. Like, it's the packaging for me. Like, it's just, come on now, it's just too cute. It's just everything that Sharese is. Like, I am quality. And this box is definitely awesome to start off the new year right. In 2022, I'm definitely on a journey of just really self-discovery, defining myself and really following my dreams. So not doing what anybody else wants and really sticking to my dreams and really building myself up, building up my confidence to know that I am able and I'm capable of achieving anything. And I feel like sometimes in life that is hard. Sometimes in life we, you know, put on a smile for people when people think that you have everything together, or you always look like you have everything together, but deep down inside, like, you're terrified and you don't know. You know, you don't know, or you don't feel confident that you can achieve your goals. So I truly think that this is going to help me get through my year and get through everything that I'm trying to accomplish this year. And that's all I got. So that's it. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel, of course. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one.